If Grammarly is giving you an HTTP 403 Invalid Referer error, don't worry, this is usually a browser issue and not a problem with your account. In this video, I'll show you the fastest way to fix it step by step so you can get Grammarly working again without wasting time guessing what went wrong. If this tutorial helps you, be sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy tech fixes and software guides. Let's jump in. First, it helps to understand what this error actually means. An HTTP 403 forbidden error with an invalid referer message usually happens when Grammarly servers do not like the security information being sent by your browser. In many cases, a privacy extension, an ad blocker, or a site data issue is stripping or blocking the referer header that Grammarly needs to load properly. So the first thing we want to do is test whether a browser extension is causing the problem. Open your browser and look for the extensions icon, usually the puzzle piece in the top right corner. Click it, then choose Manage Extensions. Now go through your installed extensions and look especially for anything related to privacy, script blocking, tracker blocking, or referrer control. Extensions like uBlock Origin, Privacy Badger, or anything similar can sometimes interfere with Grammarly. Temporarily switch those extensions off one by one. After disabling them, go back to the page where Grammarly was showing the error and refresh it. If Grammarly loads normally after that, you've found the cause. If the error is still showing, the next step is to clear Grammarly's site data. This is useful when cookies or local site information has become corrupted or outdated. Open Grammarly in your browser first. Then, in the address bar, click the Site Information icon, which is usually shown near the lock or settings icon. From there, choose Cookies and Site Data. Next, click Manage On-Device Site Data. You should see stored data entries related to Grammarly. Click the trash icon next to each entry to remove it, then click Done to save the change. Once that's done, refresh Grammarly again. This simple reset can often fix the invalid referrer issue because it forces the site to rebuild clean browser data from scratch. If you're still having trouble, try opening Grammarly in an incognito or private window. That gives you a clean browsing session with fewer extensions active, which is a great way to confirm whether the issue is caused by browser settings. You can also try using a different browser just to test. For example, if you are using Chrome, try Edge or Firefox. If Grammarly works in another browser, then the original browser likely has an extension, cache, or privacy setting causing the error. In that case, keep the browser that works or revisit your extension settings and site permissions. Another helpful step is to make sure your browser is fully up to date. An outdated browser can sometimes handle security headers incorrectly, which may contribute to this kind of error. Also, check whether your antivirus, VPN, or network filtering tool is modifying web traffic, because those can sometimes interfere with referrer information too. So to recap, the main fix is to disable referrer blocking or privacy extensions, clear Grammarly's site data, and refresh the page. If needed, test in another browser or incognito mode to confirm the cause. In most cases, one of those steps will get Grammarly working again quickly. If this video helped you fix the problem, please hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.